I'm so tired of everyone telling me what to do. What happened? My father wants me to become a math teacher like him. But you don't want that? No, I want to study music. Music? That's amazing. My father says music is not a stable career. That must hurt. It does. He doesn't believe in my dream. Did you talk to him calmly? We argued last night. What did he say? He said I will regret it. That's hard to hear. I felt so angry. And your mother? She stayed quiet. Maybe she doesn't want conflict of... But I needed her support. I understand. My brother agrees with my father. Why? He says I need a safe job. They are worried about your future. But it's my life. Yes, it is. I feel alone in my own house. You are not alone. My family also has problems. Really? Yes. My mom's restaurant is not earning much money. That's serious. She looks stressed every day. Does she talk about it? Not much. She tries to smile. That's painful. Last week she cried at night. Oh no. I heard her talking about bills. Are you worried? Yes, very worried. Do you help at the restaurant? Yes, after school. That's responsible of you. But sometimes I feel tired. You are doing your best. My mom wants me to become a doctor. Really? Yes, because doctors earn good money. But what do you want? Quietly, I want to study cooking. Like your mom? Yes, but she says it's too hard. That's similar to your story. Yes, parents want safety for us. Sometimes I remember when I was a child. What do you remember? My father clapped when I sang on stage. That's beautiful. He looked proud that day. Maybe he still is proud. Then why doesn't he support me now? Maybe he is afraid. Afraid of what? Afraid that you may fail. Maybe you're right. Parents often worry too much. I never thought like that. I remember when my mom opened the restaurant. Were you happy? Very happy. She was so excited. And now? Now she looks tired and stressed. That must be hard to see. Yes, it breaks my heart. Do you ever argue with her? Yes, about my future. What happens? We both cry. That's emotional. I don't want to disappoint her. Me neither. But I also don't want to lose my dream. Dreams are important. Maybe we need to talk calmly with them. Yes, not with anger. Explain our feelings clearly and listen to their fears. That sounds mature. I will try tonight. I will too. What if they still say no? Then we work harder to prove ourselves. That gives me hope. Me too. Family problems are painful, but they also make us stronger. I want peace at home again. You will get it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trusting me. I feel less angry now. I feel less scared. Maybe everything will be okay. Yes, step by step. I will tell my father I respect him. And tell him about your passion. I will not shout this time. Good idea. And you? I will hug my mom first. That's sweet. Then I will tell her my dream calmly. I hope she understands. I hope your father understands too. Even if it takes time. Families need patience. And love. And trust. Yes, love is stronger than fear.